Hey guys, what's up? Takeshia here. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own Rubik's Cube lubricant. Okay, so it is a 2-part mixture with conditioner and glycerin. You can buy this at a chemist store. First of all, what you want to do is you want to have a stirrer around. So I will be using this syringe as to stir. And first of all, you want to fill your cup, your mixturing cup. You can just eyeball it, doesn't matter how much you put in. I'm gonna say put about 1/4 of the amount here. So just squirt your conditioner out into the cup. Okay, maybe a bit more. Okay, so about this much. And then what you want to do is, with your glycerin, you want to put about twice as much as what you already have for your conditioner. Okay, so there's about twice as much, you can see here. And now what you want to do is just stir it up. Make sure that the two parts combine and they mix properly. So I'll be back when I have finished stirring. Okay, so I am back with the mixture, and it is a semi-transparent substance. It is more translucent. This lubricant makes cubes very smooth and fast. It also gives it somewhat of a gummy feel, although it doesn't have the extra sluggishness that is often associated with the gumminess. So once you have your stirred up mixture, you want to, what I tend to do is put it into a syringe like this, and once I have that, I generally put it in an empty Mari bottle. This one isn't completely empty. I'm still going to fill it up anyway. What you do is pry this top part off just by pulling. Now these two are apart. Now I will suck up this lube, and then with this I'll just put this into the bottle, and then I will just continue doing that until I finish filling up this bottle. Okay, so I have finished filling this bottle, and I'll just snap the cap back on, and now it is good to go. As you can see, I still have a lot of leftover, and this can just be transferred into bottles like this. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was very fun to make. It was also very easy to make as well. This lubricant I've been using for quite a while now. It helps to speed up all my tubes. As you can see, this concrete battery that I'm using, and the average is quite nice. It's very controllable and fast. I put a couple, about 2 drops in here, made it really nice. So thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and give me recommendations on what I should do to make my video quality better. See you guys.